Rockswicky's best product advisor behind Amazon. Rockswicky's presents top 10 best anti-snoring device. Starting with the list number 10. Device name, SnoreCare, advanced set of 4 premium nose vents to ease breathing and snoring. Device information, SnoreCare vents provide a warm, comfortable feeling and is virtually invisible to outsiders. Number 9. Device name, Snore Stop Japanese Standard, Snore Stopper device. Device information, easy breathing. We spend a third of our lives sleeping, that's why it is important to ensure you get the best quality of sleep. Number 8. Device name, Anti-Snoring Nose Vent Snore Stopper Snore device. Device information, instantly stops snoring, relieves snoring with the ultimate snoring solution, are proven. Number 7. Device name, Premium Anti-Snore Nose Vent Sleep Aid Device. Device information, stop snoring naturally. The Sleep Pro nasal dilators are a proven snore remedy that's non-invasive. Number 6. Device name, 2-pack, stop snoring devices. Device information, Dr. Anti-Snore device is an advanced scientifically designed silicone dilator which maximizes airflow through the nasal passage to completely terminate snoring. Number 5. Device name, stop snoring naturally and instantly anti-snoring 2 styles. Device information, stop snoring the easy way it works or we'll send your money back. Number 4. Device name, Anti-Snore Nose Clips, breathe easier. Device information, gently opens up nasal passages from within for easier breathing. Helps relieve and reduce snoring and dry mouth. Number 3. Device name, EZGO Stop Snoring Solution, stops teeth grinding and clenching. Device information, drug-free snoring solution. Help reducing your snoring problem. Number 2. Device name, Dr. Wilson Schmm Anti-Snoring Nose Vents. Device information, the Dr. Wilson Schmm Anti-Snoring Nose Vents instantly stops snoring by maximizing the airflow in the nasal passageways. Number 1. Device name, Deep Sleep Pro Advanced Stop Snoring Solution. Device information, prevents your tongue from slipping back into the throat, keeping your airway clear. Made with soft medical-grade silicone. Odor-free and BPA-free. Thank you for watching our video about top 10 best anti-snoring device. To get those anti-snoring device, follow the description link below and subscribe to our channel for future upload.